In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the minimum or the maximum of a quadratic function using your graphing calculator. First thing you're going to do is go to y equals, clear out anything you don't need, and type in your equation. So my equation is 64x minus 16x squared. Once I've typed in my equation, I hit the graph button. If you can't see your parabola, you may need to use the window key. You may need to hit this button and change your minimums and your maximums until you can actually see the minimum or the maximum of the parabola. So coming back to the graph, we want the calculator to find this for us. So we're going to hit second and the trace key, which above it says calculate. So we're asking the calculator to calculate, and we want to find for this one its maximum. So I'm going to choose number 4 for the maximum. It's going to ask me 3 questions. It wants a left bound and a right bound, and then it's going to say, do you want me to guess? And we're going to say yes to that. So you're going to take your cursor and you're going to move it to the left of this point right here, which is the vertex. So I'm going to move it to the left side of the vertex. I don't have to go too far that direction. I just want to be sure I'm on the left-hand side. And I hit enter. You should see some sort of an arrow pop up so that you know you're telling the calculator to look this direction. Now it's asking for a right bound, so move your cursor to the right side of the vertex, and you're going to hit enter again to select that spot, and you should see these 2 arrows pointing at each other, and your vertex should be in between them. And when it says guess, you're going to hit enter one more time, and it should give you the maximum value. I would round this to x equals 2 and y equals 64. So depending on what the problem was asking, you would either give the x value or the y value. You can do the same thing to find the minimum of a function if it opens up. When you hit second calculate, you would just choose minimum instead of maximum.